The 10th and final race, the best race of the night. It should be, it could be. We're at the post. Heat number 10 brought to us by M Express. Vern Nolan for Bobjack Sheet Metal off barrel number 1. That's your Just Livestock trucking barrel. Out versus Gary Gorst for the Diva Darlings. He's running wide. Running second, Roger Moore for Rustway Construction in the red silks. On the inside, gaining ground now, Vern Nolan for Bobjack Sheet Metal. And taking the rail, Neil Wilson. Right now, he will run fourth, but he's got a great team of finishers for Baker Hughes. Down the backstretch, they charge with Vern Nolan, Bobjack Sheet Metal on the rail in the lead. Running a close second, Double G, Gary Gorst for the Diva Darlings. Running third, trying to find a hole, Roger Moore for the Rustway Construction. And on the inside, looking for that same hole, Neil Wilson back for Baker Hughes. Around that fourth and final turn toward the PWM Steel finish line. Looks like Double G, Gary Gorst may have a slight lead on the outside now. He'll charge hard in the middle of the track. It is the Diva Darlings out front. Coming hard, working hard. Neil Wilson back for Baker Hughes. Look at this finish, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my! That was a nose-to-nose finish. Wow, Baker Hughes, Neil Wilson back. That's why he leads the lead coming into the weekend.